Hello boys and girls. For today's lesson, we are in unit 10, the world around us, and we are going to look into animals. So what activity are we going to do today is we are going to name the animals. Alright, so before we move on, let's look at our learning objective. By the end of this slide video, you should be able to name the animals, and then you should be able to remember the spelling of each animal. And then the third one, you should be able to identify at least one characteristic of each animals. Okay, the characteristic is actually the adjective. For example, if I say lion, you can say strong. So that is the characteristic of the animal. Alright, so let's move on. Okay, so there are 8 animals you can see on the screen. Starting with this big creature, we call it a gorilla. Okay, so a gorilla. So we use a because it's just one gorilla right over here. So a gorilla, a crocodile. Okay, a crocodile, a giraffe. Okay, I'm so sorry, I've forgotten about the characteristic that we need to discuss. Okay, a gorilla you can say is a big creature, is a big animal. A crocodile you can say a silent killer or silent animal. You hardly hear any sound coming out from a crocodile, right? A quiet animal, I would say. A giraffe, so he is very tall. A monkey, monkey active, we can say active because it likes to swing from one tree branches to another tree branches. And then a penguin, you can say cute, right? And then a lion, fierce, right? A tiger, strong. A bear, you can also say it's a big animal, so a bear. Okay, next animal, so a leopard. So a leopard can run really fast, so you can say fast. And then snake. What is about snake? Long animal? Yeah, their body is very long. A vulture, a big bird, a kind of a big bird, is a big bird. And then an ostrich. Ostrich can run fast, but it can't fly. So you can also consider this as fast animal. An elephant, a big animal. A hippo also can be considered big animal. It's just that it is shorter than elephant. In terms of height, it is shorter than the elephant. But in terms of size, I think it's more or less the same size. A rhino. So rhino can run a bit fast. I mean faster than a hippo. And then a hyena. Hyena very fierce, right? You can see the characteristic of hyena in the story of the Lion King. Okay, now next one. Okay, so I just take 4 animals here. We are going to make a comparison. Okay, so this one big and this one is big too. These two, this one tall and this one tall. Yeah, monkey, when they are standing with 2 feet, they are tall. They are quite tall, right? Okay, so you see big, bigger, big. So when you are writing a sentence, you can write a crocodile is big, but a gorilla is bigger than the crocodile. Okay, so that means this one wins, this one lose in terms of the size. This one is big, but when a gorilla come, a gorilla become a bigger animal than the crocodile. Okay, the next one. A giraffe is tall. No, a monkey is tall, but a giraffe is taller. Okay, a monkey is tall, but a giraffe is taller. Okay, so I think that's all from me. I hope you can go through all the names of the animals, and then I will provide to you the link to the live worksheet that you have to name the animal that we have learned today, and then you can just answer or complete the task on the live worksheet. Okay, so you can see or you can refer to the description to get the live worksheet link for today's activity. Alright, that's all from me, and I hope to see you in the next lesson. Thank you.